Okay, on today's video, we are going to discuss about why the RAM prices are increasing. Okay, generally we call RAM as random access memory. The prices have increased. Okay, now main reason was the massive demand from artificial intelligence. Means one of the biggest reason that rising in the RAM prices is the rapid expansion of artificial intelligence AI, and AI system requires huge amount of memory to process the large dataset and run complex algorithm. The large AI data center built by major tech company consume the very high amount of DRAM, means dynamic random access memory, and advanced memory chip also. Then this demand increase the much faster production of memory chip and causing shortage and pushing the price higher also. Now shift towards the high bandwidth memory also. Now, memory manufacturers are increasingly focusing on producing the high bandwidth memory HBM, which is used in powerful AI processor and graphics card, because companies are allotting more production capability to HBM. The supply of traditional DRAM used in PC, smartphone, and laptop has decreased. This reduced the supply of contribute to the higher price in the consumer market also. Then supply and demand imbalance also. The global RAM market currently face the classic supply and demand imbalance. Demand from industries such as cloud computing, gaming, smartphone, and RAM has grown rapidly, while manufacturing capacity has not increased at the same speed also. So that buyer compete for the limited memory chip, which also drive into the price upward. And some reports show that DRM are rising price dramatically within the short period of a time due to its shortage also. Then the production cost by the manufacturer also another major factor behind the price surge is production adjustment by memory manufacturer. Means company sometimes reduce the production to avoid the oversupply and to maintain profitability also. Then at the same time, manufacturer prioritize high profit product like advanced memory chip for AI system, which reduce the availability of standard RAM and use in everyday electronics also. Then supply chain and manufacturing cost also. RAM production depend on the complex global semiconductor supply chain. Several factor increase in the production cost also. Higher energy price of for semiconductor factory, limited supply of raw material, expensive chip manufacturing equipment, geopolitical tension affecting the supply route also. Then growing demand from consumer electronics also means that demand for memory in consumer electronics is rising. Memory devices such as smartphone, gaming computer, laptops, and server require much higher amount of RAM than older devices also. And then market competition and a limited supply also means that large companies like cloud provider and majority technology tech firm buy memory chip in huge quantity because of their purchasing power. They often receive priority from suppliers also. A small company and consumer may struggle to obtain RAM at normal prices, which further increase the market cost also. Then, conclusion: RAM prices are rising because of combination of factor, explosive demand from artificial intelligence, limited manufacturing capability, and the shift towards the advanced memory technology, supply chain challenges, and increased demand from modern electronics also. Until the production capacity increase and supply catches up the demand, memory price will remain high in global technology market. Okay. Now, thanks for joining me, and hope all of you have understood something new. And I think I used to speak or I used to narrate quite fast, so please don't mind for that. Okay. Have a great